Okay, we are at a school called Crucitas right now, and the Deseo team just got here. They're about to come down, and we're gonna take a little bit of video watching them do their program, their devotional. Usually the kids love it when the Deseo team gets here. They run out. They're like superstars. So here they come. We're gonna have Carlos, Caroline, Mayra, Sara, and Brittany. And here they come, ready to do their thing. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien. Muy bien. They are excited and ready. One of our groups came out here years ago and built this porch. There didn't used to be a porch out here. This also was just an adobe brick building, and our group stuccoed it, which made the walls smooth and pretty. And then they painted. They also put cement floors. Here they come, the Deseo team. All right, let's go in.